Who is that?
Okay, Lulu, here's the video camera. Oh, and there's.
Yeah.
Here, honey, now I want you to do this.
I don't know where it's at.
I got mine for now. Lulu, where's the big containers that I bought?
Where's the tip of the slaughter on top and we'll be done with it?
No, these are.
Oh, there's one in the oven for an hour.
You don't understand. If you put them in these things.
Yeah.
Are you doing this?
What?
We don't need to control that right now.
Where's your memory card?
We take a lot of time to put the bread. That's too small. We don't have to look at that.
Nat,
Well,
I'm trying, guys. Hang with me here for a minute.
no, it doesn't matter. It's tinfoil. It's only
Don't
done
put
in
it
an
on
hour.
the camera. You really upset me.
God, why are you so stubborn?
Because this is mine.
It's gonna take us opportunity.
All you do is put it, that's not gonna fit in my
There's
refrigerator.
a napkin over there.
No, it's not.
I'll do this.
She doesn't fight for it. She says okay.
Here, Bertie. Go. We're going to 10 years. Come on. Wonder why?
Wonder why what?
Why never get so aggravated?
Well, it's just
It's so
You know,
impossible.
sometimes go do your thing.
This one I go put in my room.
okay.
Do it, do it.
What's this?
Put my room? How about this one? This
Move,
one's
little
mine
fat
too.
dog.
This one's mine.
Move, tell her. Walk.
Move, fat dog.
How old are
Little
you,
sausage
Rosie?
butt.
Are you 2? Say hi, mommy, daddy. Hi, mommy, daddy.
No, it's Mommy Daddy Gray now. Mommy Daddy Gray. She says.
Uh-huh. Is it your birthday? Yeah. 2? How old? The balloons, yeah.
Balloon.
Okay, we ready to open presents? Are you ready? Where's little Ray?
He didn't want to play.